This is where the long-term value starts to show some cracks. The ecosystem, you are tied to Garmin Connect. It is arguably the best data analysis app for fitness, but it doesn't talk to your phone as deeply as native watches. You can take calls and use your phone's voice assistant, Siri or Google Assistant, through the watch's speaker, but the experience is pass-through. It feels like a Bluetooth headset on your wrist rather than an integrated AI. Repairability. The Venu 3 receives a low repairability score. The screen is glued to the bezel, and the battery is not intended to be user replaceable. If the battery degrades significantly in 4 years, you are looking at a full unit replacement via Garmin's out-of-warranty exchange program, which typically costs about $150 to $180. 3-year total cost of ownership. Base price, $450. Replacement bands, third party, $20. Garmin Golf or Premium Maps, optional, $0. Most features are free, unlike Fitbit's premium model. Total, $470. The value holds because Garmin supports these devices with firmware updates for years.